Hi everyone, Adam from Adam Flowerman. Hope you are all well and a very happy New Year's from me. Can't wait to start 2023. This video is of me creating two box arrangements in a pink theme, trying not to go too bright and keep it in the sort of pastels and soft pinks. I decided to make a few alterations for both since they didn't need to be the same for this order. I could try a few different techniques and forms, which was fun and a bit of an experience. Let me know if you prefer one or the other and why. I would love to know. I enjoy showing my process and the act of putting it all together and sort of how my brain works and the creative flair which comes by placing two flowers together. I like to work from a vase which I have collected all the materials and then I start to place them in the box arrangement. I sort of start off in groups but use the way of the foliage and flowers in a way to direct which way I should go and use it in a bit more of an instinctual than form. It has been really nice to be back at work and to work on my business. I feel refreshed and ready for 2023. So now that we're in 2023, we already have so many exciting things that we're working on. We've got a few weddings all lined up to be done this week and next week, and we're just focusing right now on the final touches for our shop, just changing up the designs a bit, playing with our flower wall and presentation of bouquets, and we'll have so much more exciting things coming this way. So I hope you'll follow and watch us on YouTube. Being January, hasn't been too hot, so it's been a bit cooler, and some days have been very hot in Australia, so it's been a little bit mixed weather, but lovely to introduce pineapple lilies. They're really fun to play with and use, a bit tropical. Then we've just been using roses. I love lysianthus, so whenever we can use them, try to get my hands on them. We've also got carnations, spray carnations. Been using a lot of viburnum recently, a little bit different to eucalyptus, a bit more straight, so it's quite fun to use them for front-facing box arrangements. And just with the grooves of the viburnum, it's easy to place flowers in between and sort of still fill up the box and make it look extremely full. I've been starting to use spray roses a bit more. It's just hard to find roses that seems quite full. You can get a few sprayed roses which are very thin and only have about 3 buds, but I was pretty excited when I was able to find some that have 5 to 10 buds on them, and just gives that sort of fullness look to it and just makes the box arrangement a bit more complete. Just finishing off the box arrangement now. I like to just do a simple bow, keep it simple, it's nice and elegant and looks good.